left interest rates unchanged. That's the first look I have here. Let's see what else they said here. The pandemic emergency program in the first quarter of 2022 at a lower pace than in the previous quarter. They had said that previously. And it will discontinue net asset purchase under PEP at the end of March 2022. I believe that's new. So that's a little bit of movement by the ECB on the issue of asset purchases. But reinvest principal, they previously said, until at least the end of 2024. We had some movement earlier today, Mike, in some of the asset markets as a result of the BOE hiking by 25 basis points and saying that it will also start to reduce its balance sheet. I saw U.S. yields higher. You had mentioned that it's within the range, looking at the 10-year. I saw stocks run a little bit higher on that news. The dollar maybe a touch weaker, and foreign yields also higher. I think the story leading into the press conference here, Europe had a little bit higher inflation than had been expected in the January flash report. And we'll see how Christine Lagarde addresses that and whether or not she is pulled by what's happening in the Bank of England and in the U.S. towards a faster move when it comes to either its asset purchases or its rates. What I last saw there from Mark Chandler is about 30 basis points of tightening is priced into European markets over the next 12 months, which is just a little bit, but sort of shows the bias of where things are going. Mike?
Yeah, and I guess there was in the BOE vote, there was some that wanted a bigger hike. So the yields in Europe, in the UK, and elsewhere are kind of lifting on a lot of that, Steve. Thank you very much.